Okay. Thank you for listening to the Field Report for August 3rd, 2017. These images are from WTAE here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Right now, this is ground zero for the train derailment that occurred in Hyndman, Pennsylvania. And these images, of course, I'm going to just zoom in, look at some of the destruction right through a house where two individuals were sleeping, and they are lucky to have come out of that alive. Now, I just want to zoom in and look at these are how many railroad cars have been damaged in this train derailment. We live not that far from Conway, which is a major railroad interchange, and a lot of these cars, if you just see how they're parked, to see this and to see what it normally looks like, and then the fires. My main concern is, and this is my primary concern, is this type of toxicity. We don't know if it's in the air right now. I know I've been lightheaded and tired all day, and I live in this area, and when those kind of toxic fumes get into this region and into this area, we might not even know it. It's like, it's colorless. So these are kind of the images that I want us to pay attention to right now. And now it's obvious a lot of times in the situation with the chemical fumes like this, that my main concern is about the water supply, in the food, and the toxicity, it being really humid, and if depending on which air in the air in which it travels, and also just there are a couple of other factors we might not be fully aware of, but just looking at this, and just as a precaution, I would, well, first of all, I think people should have mandatory, access to water. That would be my first thing. And food that is not, just make sure it's not contaminated. I know some people that we've worked with about having food that's easy to store. I would not want to eat anything unless it's properly sealed right now. And I would make sure it's properly sealed for a reason. Because if there's items or any chemicals are in this food, it's no good. You have to get rid of it. It would be easy, it would be better just to chuck the food. You know what I mean? You want to make sure your food is properly contained. I'll put the information below in the links and updates as well. Thanks for listening.